Hello everyone, good to see you again. Today we have got something very fascinating on the menu. We are delving into words that paint vivid pictures of people's personalities. Brace yourself for 10 awesome words that bring human traits to life. Trust me, this is gonna be a fun ride. So, are you ready guys? Let's dive right in. Our very first word is charismatic. Charismatic का मतलब होता है करिश्माई. Basically, they are the individuals that possess a captivating charm that draws people in and influences them. जो बहुत ज़्यादा attractive होते हैं और हमारे पे बहुत ज़्यादा influence पड़ता है जिसका. Think of a leader or a speaker or a celebrity who have that magnetic presence. For example, do you know about Martin Luther King? He is known as a charismatic leader, reason being he was having that powerful communication and was an engaging personality. So that's why he was known as charismatic leader. Then moving on to resilient. Resilient का मतलब होता है प्रतिस्थानशील. They are the people that can bounce back from challenges and tough situations. जो बड़ी बड़ी मुश्किलें पार करके दोबारा खड़े हो सकते हैं. And you know what? They are like strong trees that bend but don't break in the storm. For example, despite facing numerous challenges, she remained resilient and never lost her hope. Well, the next one is empathetic. Empathetic का मतलब होता है सहानुभूतिपूर्ण. They are the individuals that understand and share the feelings of others. जो समझते हैं और फीलिंग्स को महसूस करते हैं दूसरों की. And they are the ones who truly listen and offer a shoulder to lean on. जो सुनते हैं और सहारा देते हैं. For example, I am a firm believer in teaching children to be empathetic with others. Now, let's talk about ambitious. Ambitious का मतलब होता है महत्वाकांक्षी. They are the people that set high goals and work tirelessly to achieve them. जो बड़े बड़े goals सेट करते हैं और उसके पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, अपनी जीत जान लगा देते हैं. They are the go-getters who never settle for less. For example, only ambitious students get the best marks. Well, moving on to analytical. Analytical folks excel at breaking down complex problem and finding logical solutions. वो प्रॉब्लम्स को ब्रेक करते हैं और उनके सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढते हैं that contain logics in that. They are the problem solvers and critical thinkers. For example, the detective's analytical mind allowed him to quickly process the crime scene. Well, up next is optimistic. Optimistic का मतलब होता है आशावादी. I mean, they radiate positivity and uplift those around them. Now, for example, if there is a glass in front of you, what we normally see, हम लोग देखते हैं कि आधा भरा हुआ नहीं हुआ है, आधा भरा हुआ है. But they are the ones who see that glass is half full. They see the positive side of that glass. So, for example, somehow he remained optimistic despite all that had happened to him. Let's explore creative now. Creative का मतलब होता है रचनात्मक. They are the individuals that think outside the box and come up with very innovative ideas. They are the artists, inventors or visionaries. For example, we always think of creative ways to make you speak fluent English. Now on to diligent. Diligent का मतलब होता है मेहनती. They are the people who work meticulously and consistently towards their goal. लगातार अपने goals की तरफ आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं. And you know what? They are the ones who put in the extra effort to achieve excellence. For example, their lawyer was extremely diligent in preparing their case. Well, our next word is charitable. Charitable का मतलब होता है दयालु. They are the individuals that have a heart of gold and help those in need. They make the world a better place through their kindness. For example, giving blood is a charitable thing to do. Lastly, let's talk about curious. Curious का मतलब होता है जिज्ञासु. They are the people that have a thirst for knowledge and are always eager to learn. They are the lifelong learners who embrace new experiences. For example, children, they are naturally curious. And there you have it, our exploration of 10 personality words. Remember, these words are not just words, they are your secret decoder to understand people around you. Well, before we part ways, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment sharing your personality. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.